Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is online teaching program. Saima Fatma is here to teach you. When we want to say something, we use words. We generally use words in different combinations. A combination of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. The words used in a sentence are divided into different kinds or classes according to the work they do in the sentence. These kinds or classes are called parts of speech. They are 8 in number. Noun, pronoun, adjectives, prepositions, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions and interjections. We have done the first two kinds, nouns and pronouns, in the first term. Today we are going to study adjectives. Let us start. Well, girls, the concept of adjective is not new. You must be familiar with it. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word used with a noun to add something for its meaning. Let us study some examples. Example number 1. Sarah is a clever girl. What is an adjective in this sentence? Clever. How? Because it describes the noun girl. It shows what kind of girl Sarah is, or in other words, clever describes the girl Sarah. Second sentence, I don't like that boy. What is an adjective in this sentence? That. How? Because it describes the noun boy. It points out which boy is meant. Example number 3, he gave me 5 mangoes. What is an adjective in this sentence? 5. How? Because it modifies the noun mangoes. It shows how many mangoes he gave me. Sentence number 4. There is little time for preparation. What is an adjective in this sentence? Little. How? Because it qualifies the noun time. It shows how much time there is for preparation. So, we can say that a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names, or to tell the number or quantity is called an adjective. Adjectives are divided into different classes. Let us study them one by one. Number 1. Adjectives of quality. They are also called descriptive adjectives. They show the kind or quality of a person or thing. Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Let us study some examples. Karachi is a large city. What is an adjective in this sentence? Large, because it describes the noun city. And large is adjective of quality because it answers the question of what kind. The word large tells us what kind of city Karachi is. It is a large city. Second sentence. He is an honest man. What is an adjective in this sentence? Honest. Because it describes the noun man. And honest is adjective of quality. Because it answers the question of what kind. It tells us what kind of man he is. He is an honest man. Example number 3. The foolish crow tried to sing. What is an adjective in this sentence? Foolish. Because it describes the noun crow. It tells us what kind of crow it is. It is a foolish crow. Sentence number 4. The naughty boy was punished. What is an adjective in this sentence? Naughty. Because it describes the noun boy. And naughty is adjective of quality because it tells us what kind of boy he is. He is a naughty boy. Number 5. Heavy rains caused flood. What is an adjective in this sentence? Heavy. And heavy is adjective of quality because it tells us what kind of rains. Heavy rains. The next kind which we are going to study is adjectives of quantity. They show how much of a thing is meant. Adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Let us study some examples. Example number 1. I ate some rice. What is an adjective in this sentence? Some, because it describes the noun rice. And some is adjective of quantity because it answers the question how much. How much rice? I ate. I ate some rice. Second sentence. He showed much patience. What is an adjective in this sentence? Much, because it describes the noun patience. And much is adjective of quantity because it answers the question how much. How much patience? Much patience. Example number 3. You have little intelligence. What is an adjective in this sentence? Little, because it describes the noun intelligence. And little is adjective of quantity because it answers the question how much. How much intelligence? Little intelligence. Example number 4. They have lost all their wealth. What is an adjective in this sentence? All, because it describes the noun wealth. And all is adjective of quantity because it answers the question how much. How much wealth? All wealth. Example number 5. Take great care of your health. What is an adjective in this sentence? Great, because it describes the noun care. And great is adjective of quantity because it answers the question how much. How much care? Great care. Then are the adjectives of number. They are also called numeral adjectives. They show how many persons or things are meant or in what order a person or thing stands. Adjectives of number answer the question how many. Let us study some examples. Example number 1. The hand has 5 fingers. What is an adjective in this sentence? 5, because it describes the noun fingers. 5 is adjective of number. It is a numeral adjective because it answers the question how many. How many fingers? 5 fingers. Second one. There are no pictures in this book. What is an adjective in this sentence? No, because it describes the noun pictures. No is adjective of number. It is a numeral adjective because it answers the question how many. How many pictures? No pictures. Example number 3. Most boys like cricket. What is an adjective in this sentence? Most, because it describes the noun boys. Most is adjective of number. It is a numeral adjective because it answers the question how many. How many boys? Most boys. Example number 4. Here are some delicious cookies. What is an adjective in this sentence? Some, because it describes the noun cookies. Some is adjective of number. It is a numeral adjective because it answers the question how many. How many cookies? Some cookies. Then is the example number 5. Sunday is the first day of the week. What is an adjective in this sentence? First, because it describes the noun day. First is adjective of number. It is a numeral adjective because it tells us order of the day. Adjectives of number are further divided into 3 kinds. First one is definite numeral adjective. What are they? The adjectives which denote an exact number, which tell us an exact number. For example, 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. Adjectives like 1, 2, 3, they are called cardinals, whereas the adjective like first, second, third, they are called ordinals. Mind it, cuz a cardinal denotes how many, whereas an ordinal denotes the order of the things in a series. The next kind of numeral adjectives is indefinite numeral adjective. What are they? The adjectives which don't denote an exact number. They tell the number but not an exact number. Examples are all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several, most, enough, etc. All these adjectives show the number but not an exact number. That's why they are called indefinite numeral adjectives. The third kind of numeral adjective is distributive numeral adjective. What are they? The adjectives which refer to each one of a number. Let us study some examples. Example number 1. Each boy must take his turn. Second one. Every word of it is false. Example number 3. On either side is a narrow lane. Example number 4. Neither accusation is true. In these sentences, the words each, every, either, and neither are distributive numeral adjectives because they refer to each one of a number. Mind it, cuz the same adjective may be classed as of quantity or number according to its use. Now we are going to do an exercise. In this exercise, some words have been underlined. You have to tell whether the underlined words are the adjectives of quantity or number. Sentence number 1. I have enough sugar. What kind of adjective is the word enough? It is adjective of quantity because it answers how much. How much sugar? Enough sugar. Second sentence. There are not enough spoons. What kind of adjective is the word enough in this sentence? In this sentence, it is a numeral adjective because it answers how many. How many spoons? Enough spoons. Sentence number 3. He didn't eat any bread. What kind of adjective is the word any? It is adjective of quantity because it answers how much. How much bread? Any bread. Sentence number 4. Are there any flowers in this vase? What kind of adjective is the word any in this sentence? In this sentence, it is a numeral adjective because it answers how many. How many flowers? Any flowers. Sentence number 5. All men must die. What kind of adjective is the word all? It is a numeral adjective because it answers how many. How many men? All men. Sentence number 6. I have completed my all work. What kind of adjective is the word all in this sentence? In this sentence, all is an adjective of quantity because it answers how much. How much work? All work. Sentence number 7. You have no sense. What kind of adjective is the word no in this sentence? In this sentence, it is an adjective of quantity because it answers how much. How much sense? No sense. Sentence number 8. They found no tigers in the area. What kind of adjective is the word no over here? It is a numeral adjective because it answers how many. How many tigers? No tigers. Sentence number 9. Add some butter. What kind of adjective is the word some in this sentence? It is adjective of quantity because it answers how much. How much butter? Some butter. Sentence number 10. Some girls are absent today. What kind of adjective is the word some in this sentence? It is a numeral adjective because it answers how many. How many girls? Some girls. Well, girls, we have done the exercise. Now we are going to do the next kind of adjectives, and it is demonstrative adjectives. What are they? They point out which person or thing is meant. Let us study some examples. Example number 1. This book is mine. What is demonstrative adjective in this sentence? This, because it points out which book? This book. Second one, that flower smells sweet. What is demonstrative adjective in this sentence? That, because it points out which flower? That flower. Sentence number 3. These trees are very tall. What is demonstrative adjective in this sentence? These, because it points out which trees? These trees. Sentence number 4. Those thieves must be punished. What is demonstrative adjective in this sentence? Those, because it points out which thieves? Those thieves. Then are the interrogative adjectives. What, which, and whose. When they are used with nouns to ask the questions, they are called interrogative adjectives. Let us study some examples. Example number 1. What manner of man is he? The word what is an interrogative adjective in this sentence because it has been used with the noun manner to ask the question. Second example. Which way shall we go? Which is interrogative adjective in this sentence because it has been used with the noun way to ask the question. Example number 3. Whose book is this? Whose is interrogative adjective in this sentence because it has been used with the noun book to ask the question. The next are the proper adjectives. What are they? They are the adjectives formed from the proper nouns. Let us study some examples. Example number 1. The man was wearing a Turkish cap. Turkish is proper adjective because it has been formed from the proper noun Turkey. Second sentence. This is a grammar of the English language. English is proper adjective because it has been formed from the proper noun England. Example number 3. Pakistani rice is liked all over the world. Pakistani is proper adjective because it has been formed from the proper noun Pakistan. The last kind of adjectives which we are going to discuss over here is possessive adjectives. What are they? The adjectives which show possession, they are called possessive adjectives. They answer the question whose. Examples are number 1. This is my bag. My is possessive adjective because it answers whose. Whose bag? My bag. Example number 2. Your brother is very naughty. Your is possessive adjective in this sentence because it answers whose. Whose brother? Your brother. Example number 3. I use the pen with her permission. Her is possessive adjective over here because it answers whose. Whose permission? Her permission. Example number 4. They have sold their house. There is possessive adjective in this sentence because it answers whose. Whose house? Their house. Example number 5. He did his test well. His is possessive adjective in this sentence because it answers whose. Whose test? His test. Well guys, we have studied adjectives and their kinds. Adjectives are classified into different kinds. Adjectives of quantity, adjectives of quality, adjectives of number, definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, distributive numeral adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, proper adjectives and possessive adjectives. Now we are going to do an exercise. In this exercise, some sentences have been given. You have to pick out the adjectives from the given sentences and tell their kind. Let us do. Sentence number 1. The ship sustained heavy damage. What is adjective in this sentence? Heavy, because it describes the noun damage. And it is an adjective of quantity because it answers how much. How much damage? Heavy damage. Second sentence, I have called several times. What is the adjective over here? Several, because it describes the noun times, and it is a numeral adjective because it answers how many, and it is indefinite numeral adjective because it doesn't denote an exact number. Sentence number 3. Every man has his duties. What is the adjective in this sentence? Every, because it describes the noun man, and it is a distributive numeral adjective because it refers to each one of the number. Sentence number 4. What time is it? What is adjective in this sentence? Because it describes the noun time, and it is an interrogative adjective because it has been used with the noun time to ask the question. Sentence number 5. Anas won the second prize. What is the adjective over here? Second, because it describes the noun prize, and it is a definite numeral adjective because it shows an exact number, second. Sentence number 6. Neither party is quite in the right. What is the adjective in this sentence? Neither, because it describes the noun party, and neither is distributive numeral adjective because it refers to each one of the number. Sentence number 7. Some dreams are like reality. What is the adjective in this sentence? Some, because it describes the noun dreams. And some is numeral adjective. It is the adjective of the number because it answers how many. How many dreams? Some dreams. And some is indefinite numeral adjective because it doesn't denote an exact number. It shows the number but not an exact number. Sentence number 8. Mom is preparing Chinese rice. What is the adjective in this sentence? Chinese, because it describes the noun rice. And Chinese proper adjective because it is formed from the proper noun China. Then is the sentence number 9. Remove these mistakes from your article. What is the adjective in this sentence? These, because it describes the noun mistake. And these is demonstrative adjective because it points out which mistake, these mistakes. Then is the sentence number 10. The doctor checked each medicine. What is the adjective in this sentence? Each, because it describes the noun medicine. And each is distributive numeral adjective because it refers to each one of the number. Sentence number 11. He died a glorious death. What is an adjective in this sentence? Glorious, because it describes the noun death. And glorious is adjective of quality because it answers of what kind. What kind of death? A glorious death. Sentence number 12. Only 5 teams have qualified. What is the adjective over here? 5, because it describes the noun teams. And it is a numeral adjective because it answers how many. How many teams? 5 teams. And it is a definite numeral adjective because it shows an exact number, 5. Sentence number 13. I hate such things. What is the adjective over here? Such, because it describes the noun things. And it is a demonstrative adjective because it points out which things, such things. Sentence number 14. There was much discussion and little gain. In this sentence, there are 2 adjectives. First one is much because it describes the noun discussion, and it is an adjective of quantity because it answers how much. How much discussion? Much discussion. And what is the second adjective in this sentence? Little, because it describes the noun gain, and it is also an adjective of quantity because it answers how much. How much gain? Little gain. Then is the sentence number 15. She will regain her health soon. What is the adjective in this sentence? Her, because it describes the noun health, and it is a possessive adjective because it answers whose health? Her health. Well girls, we have studied adjectives and their kinds. We have done practice exercises. Hopefully understood. Your today's home task is write down the definitions of adjectives and their kinds along with their examples in your neat notebooks. Okay girls, Allah Hafiz.